everyone. I hope you're all doing well. In case you're new here, my name's Linda and I do post about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, do consider subscribing to my channel and let's be friends. Or if you aren't new here, then welcome back. Thank you for coming back. You might have noticed I didn't post last week, and that's because I was having a blast in Vegas and I didn't take my camera with me, so I would have vlogged it, but I feel like everyone kind of posts about Vegas. I didn't feel like I was gonna like really have anything, and you know what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. But anyway, back to the video. Today I have a special unboxing from my dear friend Fendi. So my essay was sending me pictures like he always does, and I was like, please don't like anything, please don't like anything, and I liked a lot of things, but I settled on 3 because I'm trying to control my little shopping problem. And please disregard this band-aid on my finger. I had my biometrics done and yeah, they pricked me. But anyway, so today's video is my unboxing of 3 Fendi items that I just got. I did throw away the box, so it's not really an unboxing, but I haven't used anything, so it's more of like a reveal. Because I was waiting, I told myself I'm not going to use any of these items until after I make this video. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys. Let's get straight into today's video. Just like the last time, I actually did not go to the store because I just cannot be bothered. I'm so lazy to drive to the mall these days. Is anyone else feeling the same way? Like, you'd rather them just ship it to you? Like, you could go to the store and buy something, but then you're like, Amazon, next day delivery. I'm just gonna do that. Like, the laziness is real. It's so sad. So my essay showed me the things, and then I had him just ship it to my house, and they all came in this dust bag. Like I said, I threw away the box because I didn't feel like having the box. Me and my recyclables day, always trying to put it all in there. So there's a little letter that says thank you, Fendi. Oh, it's like actually shut there. Oh, that's my dog barking, probably the mailman or something. Okay, so it's my receipt, and yeah, okay. If you guys want to know the prices, I will tell you with each item since I do have them right here. Good to know. Item number 1. It's my very, very first jewelry item from Fendi, so I'm really excited. And it just does that English. It does come in this cute box. It just says Fendi. And let's open it up. Sorry, my dogs are still barking. Okay, so do this properly. Oh my gosh. This is so like extra and unnecessary, but is any of this actually necessary? No. So it's kind of big, but it doesn't matter, I think. Oh yeah, no, it's adjustable. Good. You can push it in. So there you are. It has just a little FF, and it's all like blingy, but not too blingy. It's kind of like dark, which is one of the things that I really liked about this ring. I looked at a lot of pictures of it before I finally said, you know what, I'm gonna buy it. I just think it's so cool, and I'm pretty sure it'll probably fit my thumb. I have really small fingers, especially because this one's adjustable. So let me try this thumb. Okay, I don't feel like pushing it all the way in. There, we'll just try it on. No, I think I like it on my middle finger more. Don't mind me, I'm just enjoying it. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it on this finger. I think that's pretty cool like that. What do you guys think? Love it. Such a beauty. Where am I wearing this to? Anywhere. Okay, so that's item number 1, and let's see the price. So this is called the Freedom Ring, metal and glass. Okay, I guess it's glass. And it was $210 US, which if you compare it to like the prices, you know, outside of the outlet, and by the way, these are all from the outlet, it's so much more out there. So I feel like that's not that bad, right? But, I mean, no, I like to think it was a good deal. Okay, so my next item, which is the item I wanted the absolute most, is this belt. Oh my gosh, I love it. Is it reversible? Oh, no, I guess it's not, but like it doesn't really matter. So the reason I like this belt is because it's black and brown. So I figured I can wear it with my black outfits or with my brown outfits, whether I'm wearing brown shoes, black shoes, white shoes, whatever. I just felt like this one was so much more versatile compared to this other one that I liked that was just solid black, and then if I wear my brown shoes, you get it. So yeah, so it's got like a little darker brown, lighter brown, and then the black leather trim. And then of course it has the little Fendi logo right there. If it'll focus. I just have to take the plastic off of it. And so it says Baguette, Nastro, Bicolor, Fango, Moresco. Okay, let me just read this one. So belt baguette fabric, $295 for the belt. And if you know belt prices for these brands, you know that that is actually a pretty good deal. So I also like this because I do have two of the Gucci belts, but I really wanted something maybe slightly more understated, and I feel like a lot of people aren't as familiar with the Fendi logo versus Gucci. Realistically, if you walk out there with a Gucci belt, everyone's seen it, but the Fendi one, I feel like not as many people have it. Slightly more understated, and I do still like it a lot. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I cannot wait to wear my new belt. It's so pretty, and like I said, the main thing that got me was the colors. I mean, I just love the fact that I could wear it with black, brown, pretty much anything, because I feel like you're usually trying to match your shoes. So I feel like this one's probably one of my best purchases. And now last but not least, in this little dust bag, this scarf. I think he had said it was a wrappy, which is, you know, the same thing as a twilly or a bandeau, but I don't feel like it's that size. Like, what kind of a wrappy is this size? Like, the usual wrappies are like this one. This is my other Fendi bag, and so I feel like they're usually like that. And like, look at the difference. There's no way how does this fall into that category? Like, not at all. Go back to your little place there. So yeah, so this is humongous, and he had sent me a picture of him wearing it, and it just looks so classy. I love this black and white stripe detail. At first I was like, is this giving me Beetlejuice vibes? But then I was like, you know what, don't care, it's beautiful. So tell me what you think. Do you like it, or are you just seeing Beetlejuice? Like, we're so close to Halloween, are you just seeing Beetlejuice? Please tell me no. Lie to me. But it's so cute. Especially like the way he was wearing it, it just looks so nice. Like, I could picture, like, I could wear like a nice black leather jacket or coat or something, and then just throw this over it and just like, oh. So what am I, right now I don't know what I'm doing here, but no. Okay, now it kind of looks like a tie, or like I'm graduating or something, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna make a way to make this look a lot cuter. It is really long. Maybe if I like fold it. This is why I need to go back to like that like Louis lady that was teaching me a million ways to tie your scarf. Okay, so maybe like if you like double tie it first, and then you just throw it over like that, right? Actually, yeah, I feel like that's so much easier. So it's not really warm, so I feel like this is something you can definitely wear when it's not too cold, but you just kind of want that like little accent for your outfit. It's definitely when it's like actual dead of winter or something, I'm going to want to wear like one of my wool scarves or something much more that will realistically keep me warm, because this sure as heck won't. I'm pretty sure this is 100% silk. It is, does it say? Oh, it's a maxi wrappy, and yes, there must be someone outside. It is 100% silk. I figured. It feels really nice, actually. Sure hope it's the mailman out there. They'll calm down in a few. So those were the 3 items that I bought. Let me know in the description what you guys think. Did you like the scarf? Now that I'm seeing it on me, I'm like, how am I gonna pull this off? You know, worst case scenario, if I can't pull it off on me, I'll figure out a way to put it on one of my bags or something, because I do still think it's beautiful. Oh, and I didn't tell you the price of this one. So this one was $215. Right? Yeah, this one's $215. So the ring was $210, this was $215, and the belt was $295. Which again, for Fendi prices, that's amazing. If you go out of the outlet, you'll literally be paying at least double. And it's not like there's anything wrong with these items. And this belt and this ring, I am 100% so happy with my purchase. It is so stinking cute. And then the scarf, you guys know me, I will figure out a way to make it work. But yes, I'm so insanely happy with my little ring and my belt. I'm gonna go see if I go to the supermarket, like, with all my new items. Am I kidding? I don't know if I'm kidding. Well, anyway, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, do leave a comment what your favorite item is. Did I make a mistake with the scarf? I don't think it's returnable because it's the outlet, but whatever. Not like I would have the energy to go back and return it anyway. I'll find a way. But again, thank you so much. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you all for the next video. Bye!